Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! For this video, I'm showing you how to cook a simple old cucumber and pork bone soup. Hope you stay! Here's all the ingredients. We need garlic, ginger, onion, radish, wolfberries, pork bones, carrot, and old cucumber. First, we need to peel the old cucumber. But some, we don't need to peel the skin already. They just cut into a block and boil together with the pork bones or pork ribs. But me, I prefer to peel it. And then of course our carrot need to peel also. This recipe you can add on sweet corn also if have available in your kitchen, but my kitchen is don't have, not available, so whatever have, I just make it best. And then we need to blanch the pork bones. Blanching is to remove the blood and impurities and of course the smell. But don't boil more than 5 minutes, otherwise the nutrients will gone. And then of course we need to wash it and put in the other pot in a clear water, with the clear water. Then add on all the ingredients like this onion, garlic, ginger, and then radish and carrot, and then let it boil for more, maybe 30 minutes to boil it. And after that 30 minutes, then we need to add on the old cucumber. And of course we need to boil again like maybe like 20 minutes. Cover and boil. Then after 20 minutes, we need to add on the wolfberries or goji berries. Call it goji berries. And then of course we need to stir a bit. And then after that we need to put add on the rock sugar. Up to you also if you want to add some stock, this chicken stock or whatever, and I add on pepper. And then here we go. After all those boiling, our soup is ready. And if you enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy, my friends. See you again on my next vlog. Stay safe everyone, and God bless us all. Mwah.